Okay. Hi, Mars. Hi. You gonna say hi?
Can you say hi? Say hi. Oh.
She wants it.
Yep.
She wants to eat it.
She wants to eat the camera.
You want to show everybody all your teeth? Look at those teeth. Bouncing and dancing.
Yep, that's right.
Hi, little girl. You need a haircut.
No,
Found Daddy's pants.
that's Daddy's pants. Whew.
You tell Grandma and Grandpa that we miss him. We miss them now that they're on vacation. What was that?
Somebody's tired.
Tired. Oh.
Should I put it down? No. Oh. Oh, it's so sad. Oh.
Marceline. You gonna go to bed?
Yeah.
Okay, bedtime.
All right.
Bye-bye. Bye, Marceline.